let's try bulldog glass noodle with sausage. Guys, I tried bulldog glass noodle before. It was super good. So today I want to try lotte flavor. Why they have 3 sauce? Isn't it 2 like this? Lucky? No, 3 of them is right. Wow, it's gonna be really lotte. I really like this noodle looks like. I mean, I'm super lazy for this, but I need to handle it to eat this, right? And let's put some sausage here. It's gonna be really good. Oh my god. Look at this. This glass noodle is chewy crazily. Let me try the sausage. It's really firm. For me, this is 10 times better than just normal bulldog ramen. But of course, it's twice expensive. But this is so good.